In a world where knowledge knows no boundaries, Bookgrove brings the power of reading comprehension and creative writing to your fingertips. Introducing Bookgrove Online, the ultimate destination for enhancing your reading comprehension and unlocking your creative potential, all from the comfort of your own home. With Bookgrove Online, you have the freedom to learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Whether you're a busy student, a working professional, or an enthusiastic learner, our virtual platform brings the world of literacy and imagination to you. Dive into our immersive reading comprehension program, designed to sharpen your analytical skills and deepen your understanding of texts. Through engaging lessons, interactive quizzes, and real-world applications, you'll become a master at extracting meaning, making connections, and discovering the hidden gems within the written word. Unleash your creativity with our dynamic creative writing curriculum. With a vast array of resources, writing prompts, and expert guidance, you'll develop your unique voice, craft compelling narratives, and explore the art of storytelling like never before. Join our vibrant community of writers, where collaboration and support are just a click away. Connect with fellow learners, share your ideas, and receive personalized feedback from experienced instructors who are passionate about nurturing your growth as a writer. Bookgrove Online, where learning meets convenience and creativity knows no boundaries. Enroll today and unlock the power of knowledge and imagination with Bookgrove Online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.